Happy New Year to all our viewers! We wish you a fantastic 2024. Welcome to the future, where artificial intelligence isn't just buzzword, but a tool you can use to make money online. It's the era of ChatGPT AI bot, a revolution that's changing the game of online entrepreneurship. Imagine an artificial intelligence that's capable of creating engaging content, offering tutoring services, or even serving as a virtual assistant. The possibilities are as vast as your imagination. This isn't science fiction, it's reality. And the best part, it's accessible to anyone willing to embrace this new wave. ChatGPT AI bot is a tool that's not only powerful, also profitable. With a dash of creativity and a sprinkle of strategy, you can turn this artificial intelligence into a money-making machine. This is your golden opportunity to ride the AI wave and make money online. In today's video, you will learn how to set up and use ChatGPT AI bot to earn money online. Before we dive into how to make money with it, let's understand what ChatGPT is and its capabilities. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. It uses machine learning to generate human-like text, based on the input it receives. Imagine having an assistant that can write emails, articles, or even poetry with a touch of creativity and coherence. That's ChatGPT for you. It's like having a sophisticated and witty companion who can help you with a plethora of tasks. From drafting social media posts to creating engaging blog content, ChatGPT is up for the challenge. It can even assist with customer service by responding to queries in a natural conversational manner. So, whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or just someone looking to harness the power of AI, ChatGPT can be a game changer. Now that you understand what ChatGPT is, let's move on to setting it up for your use. Scene script. Setting up ChatGPT is a straightforward process. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to create an account on the OpenAI platform. OpenAI is the mastermind behind ChatGPT, so this is where you'll start your journey. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name and email address. Once your account is up and running, you can access ChatGPT from the OpenAI homepage. Here's where the fun begins. You'll see a range of options and features to explore. Don't be overwhelmed, it's all part of the process. Now let's talk subscriptions. While OpenAI offers a free version of ChatGPT, they also have a paid version known as ChatGPT Plus. This subscription comes with a plethora of benefits, including priority access to new features and improvements, faster response times, and the ability to make unlimited requests. The cost is $20 a month, and it's a worthy investment if you're serious about leveraging ChatGPT to its full potential. After subscribing, you'll need to familiarize yourself with the OpenAI API. This is the interface that allows you to interact with ChatGPT. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech wizard to navigate this. OpenAI provides comprehensive guides and documentation to help users like you get started. Next, you'll want to set up a development environment. This is basically your workspace where you'll interact with ChatGPT. You can use any text editor or integrated development environment you're comfortable with. Python is the preferred language for interacting with the OpenAI API, so a basic understanding of Python could come in handy. Finally, you'll need to install the OpenAI Python client. This is a simple process that involves running a few commands in your terminal or command prompt. Again, OpenAI provides clear instructions on how to do this. And there you have it. You're all set up and ready to start exploring the world of ChatGPT. Remember, like any new tool, it takes a bit of time to learn the ropes. Be patient with yourself and take the time to explore all the features and functionalities at your disposal. With your ChatGPT setup complete, let's explore how you can start making money with it. There are several ways you can monetize your ChatGPT bot. Dive into the ocean of opportunities that ChatGPT opens up. One of the most straightforward methods is content creation. With its ability to generate human-like text, ChatGPT can be your co-writer, helping you craft intriguing blog posts, captivating articles, or even engaging social media content. By selling or licensing this content, you can generate a steady stream of income. Another avenue to explore is consulting. With the knowledge you gain from working with ChatGPT, you can guide businesses on how to leverage AI technologies to enhance their operations. This could range from improving customer service through AI chatbots to streamlining internal processes. Tutoring is another exciting possibility. Many individuals and organizations are eager to learn about AI and its applications. With your expertise in ChatGPT, you can offer tutoring services, teaching people how to use and benefit from this potent tool. Chat-based services are yet another potential goldmine. With ChatGPT, you can create AI-powered chatbots for businesses. These chatbots can handle customer queries round the clock, provide personalized product recommendations, or even carry out market surveys. The demand for such services is high, and this can be a lucrative niche to tap into. But here's the thing, the possibilities don't end there. You could also use ChatGPT for language translation, coding assistance, or even to create an interactive story for a gaming app. The key is to think creatively and look for ways to apply ChatGPT's capabilities to solve real-world problems. It's important to note that while these monetization methods are promising, they also require effort, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. There's no magic button to press for instant wealth. But with the right approach, the rewards can be significant. Choosing a niche that aligns with your expertise or interests is crucial to the success of your ChatGPT venture. So find your niche, leverage your skills, and let ChatGPT be your partner in this exciting journey towards financial independence. Your chosen niche will determine the kind of content you create with ChatGPT. The world is a vast place, brimming with diverse interests and unique topics. And in this digital age, each one of these topics can serve as a niche for your ChatGPT AI bot. The key to success lies in selecting a niche that not only aligns with your own interests and expertise, but also holds value for your target audience. Now you might wonder, why does a niche matter? Well, imagine trying to converse in a language you barely know. It would be a struggle, wouldn't it? The same applies to your AI bot. When it's programmed to focus on a specific niche, it can deliver more knowledgeable, relevant, and engaging content. So how do you choose a niche? Start by identifying your areas of interest or expertise, then conduct some market research to gauge the demand in these areas. Remember, your chosen niche should be something you're passionate about, but it should also be something others are interested in. Now, once you've selected your niche, it's time for content creation. The beauty of ChatGPT is that it can generate text that's almost indistinguishable from human writing. But as with any tool, the final result depends on how you wield it. For content creation, start by defining the purpose of your content. Is it to educate, entertain, or inspire? Maybe a mix of all three? Once you have that figured out, think about the tone and style of your writing. Do you want it to be formal and informative or casual and humorous? Next, consider the structure of your content. An engaging introduction, a body filled with valuable information, and a powerful conclusion can work wonders. Also, remember to keep it concise, clear, and compelling. Finally, always ensure that your content is relevant and valuable. It should provide solutions, answer questions, or offer insights. After all, content that adds value is content that attracts and retains audience. So get creative, experiment, and let your ChatGPT AI bot help you deliver top-notch content. Once you have your niche and content, it's time to promote your services. In the digital world, promoting your services is as important as the services themselves. It's not enough to simply have a fantastic AI bot. You need to let people know about it. Use social media platforms, online forums, and other channels to reach potential clients. Consider running ads or partnering with influencers who can help you reach a wider audience. Remember, your service is unique, and you need to convey that to your potential clients. When it comes to managing your workflow, efficiency is key. Set specific goals and timelines for your tasks. Break down larger tasks into manageable chunks. Use time management tools to keep track of your progress. Remember, working with an AI like ChatGPT is meant to save you time, not consume it. So, make sure you're using it in a way that complements your workflow, not complicates it. While you're making money with ChatGPT, it's important to understand the legal and ethical considerations. As you venture into making money online with ChatGPT, it's important to operate within legal and ethical guidelines. This means respecting copyright laws, avoiding deceptive practices, and ensuring your use of AI aligns with the terms of service. Remember, just because you can generate content doesn't mean you should use it without proper permissions or ethical considerations. Moreover, we must talk about income expectations. While it's possible to earn a substantial amount, it's important to set realistic expectations. Your earnings will depend on various factors like your chosen niche, quality of content, and how effectively you market your services. Success doesn't come overnight. It requires patience, continuous learning, and adaptability. Remember, the world of AI is ever evolving, and staying updated with the latest advancements will give you an edge. With these steps, you are well on your way to making money online with ChatGPT AI bot. Remember, continuous learning and adaptability are key to success in this field.